Introducing the Hugong INVERDELTA 400. This arc welding machine has a built-in hot start and anti-stick function. It has a built-in AVR for generator use. It includes a scratch start TIG function as well. This is suitable for mild steel and stainless steel projects. This particular welder has a VRD, voltage reduction device. First, switch the machine on using the switch on the back. This light is your temperature safety indicator. This light is the OU voltage indicator. With the 3 dials on the front, you can adjust the hot start, arc force, and your welding current or amps. This switch allows you to use a wired remote to set or adjust your amperage. Plug your remote in on the middle socket. This allows you to set your desired amps when you are not directly near the welder. Connect your electrode holder to the positive socket indicated with the plus symbol. Connect your earth clamp to the negative socket indicated with the minus symbol. The INVERDELTA 400 has a duty cycle of 60%.